What is up, everyone? So last time you saw us, we threw a new exhaust on the Cherry Hatch. I got a complete oval straight pipe exhaust. Quickly found out it was just way too loud. And yes, a lot of guys were making fun of me saying, dude, you bought a straight pipe exhaust. Of course it's gonna be loud.
I mean, it's true, but you gotta hope that when you buy that it might sound good.
The car is obnoxious, and honestly, the track that I drift out doesn't allow cars that loud. So, what we picked up is a vibrant muffler. What's nice about this one is it's an oval, right? So it doesn't hang super low. It's black, so it's nice and sleek, and I stay with the dual tip. I have this one on the E36, and honestly, I love it. And then we got this adapter that converts the round 3-inch, right there, to the oval. So we have our first drift event of the season this weekend, and if we don't have a muffler, we can't drift. It's just the rules. So we gotta run over to Johnny Little's next door and get this thing welded on. I'm not hyped for the cold start. Not hyped for it. Oh. This thing makes like 260 horsepower. It's got no business sounding like that.
Honestly, at idle, it would sound cool if it had a cam like this.
Hopefully Johnny Little is up for the challenge. Oh, look at it, he's ready for me.
They pulled the GTR outside and everything. Look at this service. What up, Johnny?
Hey, get this cheap thing off the list. I feel bad even.
I don't even want to touch it.
Yeah. It's a fucking call.
No. It is, but it isn't.
Oh,
Now you got 2 feet.
That little sneak peek. Sheesh.
That's bad.
Sounds fast, huh, Johnny?
Damn.
Yeah, you weren't kidding.
Johnny, what do you think? Nice.
Fiber cam?
Yeah, nice piece.
Yeah, it should be pretty quiet.
I don't know how much just a muffler is gonna do, but step number 1, so we gotta see what happens, right? Anything's gonna be better than this. So.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, so adding a muffler, of course, is gonna make this hang a little bit lower, right? The muffler will probably be down in here, but luckily the lowest part of the exhaust is probably down over here and up here, and it'll still be above this, so I think we'll be more than fine. It won't take away from the whole purpose why I bought the exhaust, while hopefully quietting it down. You check it out, if the tips are right inside the bumper, you come over here, it actually lines up right where it goes straight again. So I think we got like real lucky on the length of everything. What was it, Deej?
Easy money.
That's what Johnny's making today.
Yeah. Sweet.
Cool. Let's cut this really expensive exhaust in half. There we go.
It's a tight fit.
It's a tight fit. Blast pipes be gone. Oh, I love that. That looks nice. Way classier.
Not bad.
Not bad at all, right?
Not bad.
That just looks so much nicer. There's
rope?
my new hanger.
Yeah, we're done.
I guarantee there's been plenty of guys that showed up to drift events with something like this holding their exhaust up.
But you guys are gonna be on Amazon looking for them now.
Get that tip all the way up in there,
go up?
Johnny. Yeah, get it up in there.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, as high as you can go, I guess. Right, yeah. I think that looks perfect. Donnie, if you were tall enough to see, you'd agree.
I bet it looks great.
Yeah, I think it looks good.
It looks nice.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful.
There we go. Work your magic, Johnny.
Okay.
Okay. And then maybe while we got him, we can give this some attention because this is, I'm not proud that I just did this yesterday.
It was temporary.
It was just to get it, bolted up, but it's so off that we're gonna have to actually cut it off and do something about it. Look what you've done, Johnny. You took this thing and made it into a masterpiece, right?
40% of my business is fixing other people's fuck up.
This piece is beautiful. This just looks so much classier, dude.
With the nice black tip.
With the black
Two
tip.
tips.
This is beautiful.
Give him a little rotation. Yes.
Nice work, Johnny. You made it fit.
He does this.
He's like, get out of here.
Line me up, Skippy.
There you go. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Much better. That's right. Get that over here.
What does DJ say? DJ's the boss over here, so.
Yeah, DJ, what's the move here? Cut it off?
Yeah, cut it.
Cut it off. That hanger was so useless. We're just gonna cut it out of the way for now because it's just getting in the way. There we go.
Oh, that's what we
Dude,
need.
now it lines up perfect. Not
Here, sock that bitch down.
There we go. Cut that hanger off. Fits like a dream.
Wow.
Look at that.
Brought
Perfect.
it up 6 inches too.
It did actually bring it up quite a bit. Look at that. That was the move.
Custom.
Cut that dead leg of the hanger off. Everything fits great. So the rest of the exhaust is fixed mounted, so we're just gonna fix mount the muffler to go from there. So we're probably gonna end up cutting the tab off that because it's a nice little piece of stainless. Well, to the top of the muffler, both of the frame rails, just like the old exhaust tip was. Nice and easy, right? So I'd love to not cut it off because then I could sell these.
Yeah, I
at some
say
point.
just make another one.
I love that.
Wow, that's a good idea. I always just put mine in a vise and take a hammer.
So good news, our new shop space, Johnny's actually moving in next door.
Great for me, right?
All he's gonna hear all day is Juice WRLD playing and RJ screaming.
On point.
I mean, he's like across the parking lot right now, but now he'll be our little neighbor, which is fantastic. We can bug you all the time.
He's gonna smell a little more than just metal.
All right, there it is. So hopefully it all still lines up. I think we did great.
That bracket looks like shit.
What did you say?
That bracket looks like shit.
No, it looks good. You hit it with the Scotch Brite, it looked mint.
Oh, yeah.
John's like, quit making my name bad over here. All right, so it's sitting really good. Cut that one hanger off. Now we just have this one right here, but it seats perfectly. The exhaust is nice and flat. The muffler fits amazing. It looks awesome. And what's really nice too is the bottom of the muffler, though we kind of lose an inch of clearance here, it's still higher than the rest of the exhaust. So we didn't really mess up the functionality of the oval piping being high clearance at all. Now we just have a muffler and hopefully it quiets it down at least 15 to 20%.
I'm sure it will. Yeah.
All right, I love how like low key this looks. Looks classy. Don't mind my bumper looking all trash, but that looks really good.
I think we should put this one back on.
We should put this on Derek's truck. He'll love it.
Yeah.
Some side pipes. Honestly,
It's a look.
if you're gonna go for it, you go to that point, you know.
Go big or go home.
All right, you ready?
Ready.
Noise check. We're about to start it for the first time. It is a cold start, so don't, remember. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh my God, it's so much
Wow, that did way more than I thought it was gonna do.
That is so much, dude. That is literally maybe half. Rev it up. No, not yet. It's still cold. You gotta.
I am kind of sad.
It's a really old engine, John.
I'm sad there's no long tips anymore.
I love it.
Yeah.
It looks so clean. It looks like
You did. At first, I thought you didn't even put it on because it blended in.
Well, it's hard on camera because the camera is like bad at like showing the light. But I like, I don't. These cars already stick out too much. When I'm driving on the road, I don't want it to like.
Especially when they're 3 colors.
This is bad, but all right.
It's way quieter.
Way quiet. Dude, I can't. Dude, it has to be at least 60% quieter. We'll let it warm up a little bit and then we'll rev it, all right?
Oh, that sounds great.
Dude, it completely changed the tone. It doesn't even like.
That made it so
it's
much
still,
quieter.
It's still a little louder than I like prefer. So I think we can still fit a resonator in there, but for now,
That's great.
that is doable. Like now it just sounds like an aftermarket car, an aftermarket exhaust. Before it just sounded like something was broken. I don't want to sound like an ass about this exhaust. It's a great exhaust. The quality is amazing. Downpipe is amazing. We had the bend hanger up front. We had to cut one off, and after that, everything fit great. Threw the resonator on it, and now I'm in love with it. So,
Muffler on it.
what'd I say?
You said resonator.
Okay, just threw a muffler on it, which is just a big resonator with a tip on it, and now I love it. Johnny, thank you for helping me today. He's like, oh no, get out. So now let's see how this thing sounds outside. Do you like you just sit here and, you know, have a casual conversation with you now?
I don't want to talk to you. That sounded way better.
Wow.
Wow. What do you think, Donald?
Hold that thought. RJ, go get it.
Ain't that bad.
I think it was good. We heard more turbo blow off than anything.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you're fine.
Hell yeah.
That was good.
It's crazy how
Nice
much just a
tone.
vibrant muffler did for
Yeah.
this whole exhaust, yeah. Big fan. I don't know why these don't work. Typical 240 things. All right. It's a little tight.
Little practice run for the road course?
I couldn't see anything out the windshield. I was like, ah. A little tighter than I thought. I tried second, it didn't work. Real happy.
Oh yeah.
John having a panic attack.
My insurance doesn't cover this.
This guy's ready for Saturday. Can't wait.
It's fun.
What does that smell?
Hope it's not my car.
You smell that?
Yeah. It almost smells like steak, but not really.
Smells like a bad steak.
Yeah.
Smells like Donnie's cooking. Donnie, we getting dinner tonight or what?
Oh yeah, Shake Shack for the first time.
Shake Shack, baby.
Better not disappoint.
It's gonna be better than Jake's Wayback Burgers, that's for
Oh,
sure.
that's a bold statement.
No,
RJ.
that's a common
That's a
sense
bold
statement.
Well, that's a lot better.
That looks good.
But look at it, it looks stupid.
No, it looks good. The first run, a little stupid. Second run, better.
It was tight.
Nice,
It was tight.
Hi. I heard you guys.
But you didn't hear me that bad, like that bad,
No,
right?
it wasn't. It sounded nice though. I mean, I was like, how?
You weren't sure if it was me.
Yeah, you weren't sure if it was before.
I followed the sound.
Bro, before you could have heard us from our house. All right, well, let's get this back in the shop and make sure it's ready for Saturday.
Nice work,
Good idea.
John.
Thank you.
That was awesome.
Good job, Johnny.
Thank you.
Proud of you.
Johnny's like,
I know.
yes, now that
Crazy
you finally leave.
smell.
Put it in my throat.
Run, Ant, run!
All right, so we're back in the exhaust. It's finally tolerable. I'm really happy with it now. I'm really, really happy. So we got a bunch more to do to the hatch to get ready for tomorrow, but I'm gonna do that off camera. But right now, I'm in the office. So you guys know what I'm about to do. We're doing a merch plug.
We got some new stuff.
We got some new stuff. So, as you guys know, we are moving into the new building, and well, this will be the last drop in this office right here. It's a small drop. As you guys know, we've been kind of doing renditions of like older designs. We've been doing a lot of the house logo and stuff like that, playing with colors. And well, there was one more thing RJ wanted to do before we moved in, and that was
Zip ups.
so check it out.
It's that weird time of the year.
Where you where
It's freezing in the morning and it's warm in the afternoon, and you want to get that thing off fast.
I love these things. So we went with the
Black with the
off-white because I'm
khaki.
just like obsessed with this color.
It looks too good on
It looks
everything.
so good. So we have a limited batch of that, and on top of that, I think RJ stocked up on some typical pineapple tees and stuff that's been out for a while.
The pineapple embroidered tees are back. Got a small amount. Stuff wasn't really available. A couple colors stocked back up, and took the 90s junk hats and I put them on some black hats too.
Black hats instead of the wash.
And
So-
we've also got link hats.
Oh yeah, we got a bunch of link hats because we got a lot of requests on those. I mean, they're dope hats. So
They're awesome. They fit really nice.
So though we aren't giving our car away yet, we like to try and do something fun every once in a while. And right now we are doing something pretty cool, and we are doing a mini truck giveaway. 2 of them.
2 of them.
Check them out. So these are RC car mini trucks, and Sammy went out of his way to design a matching livery for it and lay it out. We did a pretty cool color combo for some possible future mini trucks. So
this
we
is the Urus one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the Urus one, huh?
Yep.
So check it out. So basically, anyone that spends more than $20 on the website has a chance to win one of these. And it's nothing crazy. It's just really fun, and
they're a lot of fun to use.
They're a lot of
fun to play
They're
with.
fast and they
They're
drift
real
good.
fast.
So if you guys want to do this, anything bought on the web store between now and what date?
From now and March 26th, so next Friday.
So-
and it doesn't have to be merch. If you want to buy parts, nardies, link stuff,
really?
anything on the site, as long as you spend $20.
There you go.
That's it. So,
So,
if
there
you're
you go.
waiting to buy any,
I'm telling you, these are a
wheel,
blast. So we have one. We've had one for a while. A sub actually sent us, and Sammy liveried up too.
Yeah.
We play with this all the time. So
The amount of times that thing is going around in the office is nuts.
is unreal. So you guys in the deal, hop below, shop Jimmy O, cop the rest of the merch in the warehouse. Hopefully we can get a big chunk of it out so when we move into the new spot, we will start fresh. So
Big plans.
big plans.
Big plans.
All right, so the car needs to be ready for tomorrow, like afternoon, and I kind of neglected the fact that this car needs a decent amount of small things done to it to get it ready for then. So I'm probably gonna end the video very shortly, just because I need to get a lot done and I don't have much time. But I'm really happy because I completely forgot the LXZs exist. Like I was so upset that I was running these drift spares, which are so hideous, and they make the car look so much more dumpier than it already is. And so at least those look better. So that made me a lot happier to throw those things on. And plus, drifting on 18s brings the car up a lot, and honestly, they're a little bit smoother. So I had a whole nother thing planned after the exhaust, but the parts came in so late today that we started so late, and I have so much to do. So we're gonna end it there, but like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Hop below, shop Jimmy O, and we'll see you guys very shortly.